Hello and welcome to HyBiz News. This is Chaitanya Murli. Dalmia Cement Limited, DCBL, a leading Indian cement major and a subsidiary of Dalmia Bharat Limited, announced the commencement of commercial production at its Murli plant in Chandrapur district, Maharashtra, and thereby adding 2.9 million tons cement capacity to the company's overall installed capacity. The company's installed cement capacity has now grown to 35.9 million tons. The company has acquired the plant for INR 410 crores and further committed to invest rupees 929 crores for the revival, modernization, expansion and installing green manufacturing equipment with waste heat recovery systems, solar power, green fuel systems and robotic labs for enhanced quality monitoring. Approximately 900 crores is spent committed out of a total of INR 1339 crores. The plant has been turned around in a record time of 15 months from its acquisition under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code (IBC) process. Commenting on the company's growth and expansion plans, Mr. Punit Dalmia, Managing Director, Dalmia Bharat Limited, said, "We have hit the road running this year by aggressively following through with our growth strategy nationally. For the Western market in particular, we continue to take our responsibility as a corporate leader seriously by creating a progressive and sustainable ecosystem. Moving forward, and in partnership with the great state of Maharashtra, we look forward to focusing on our ambitious business, social and sustainability goals." Thank you for watching HyBiz News.